If you want your teeth to be the cleanest and whitest they've ever been, you may want to look into LIVFRESH. This is an amazing brand that sent me their product for review, and they make massive promises. In a double-blind study, they proved that they are much better at removing plaque. They don't have anything you're going to be concerned about, and they claim you're going to see results in 2 weeks. And not only is it meant to fight plaque, but this is also a whitening toothpaste. So let's give it a try. Now they are small containers. I have seen in reviews that a lot of people will only use these once a day to maximize the time that you have with this container. It does recommend using it twice a day, pea-sized amount. So definitely a smaller amount than you're probably using on a daily basis. Now I'll put on my pea-sized amount. You really don't need much, and it will start foaming as well. So let's go. Now, first impressions, it definitely foams when you brush, but it's not a super foam. And because you're using such a small amount, it may feel a little more watered down than you're used to with other toothpastes. At least it does for me, but my mouth feels very clean. All my teeth feel film-free. Everything feels just really, really nice. And it should, because this has 40 patents and 26 research studies behind it. It is truly designed to get rid of morning breath, to help with your gums, and most importantly, to remove and prevent more plaque buildup. Now, I'm going to be using this for the next month, and I actually am going to try to use it on one of my kids, as they definitely have plaque buildup, and I will do another video with my follow-up results. But to start off with, I am really excited about this product, and if you are looking for a way to take control of your mouth, this might be the solution you're looking for. LIVFRESH Gel Toothpaste.